Oh, wait. Are you recording? Are you recording? I assume you're recording. You are recording.
A few minutes later.
Hello people, we're installing, what is it? Oh god, it hurt. K&N Performance. You can see it, K&N Performance air filter. I don't know how performance-y it is, but we will install that. It's just a drop-in air filter like such. Probably shouldn't leave a plasticky thing, cardboard box on top of the engine, but you know what you gotta do. Yeah, I got K&N sticker. Look at that. You got discard, washable, reusable filter. It gives will not void vehicle's warranty. That's nice. But this is the filter. Gefilte fish. All you do is take out these two things. Seems like there's nothing else. You just pull this back. You don't even need to what was I saying? You just take out the OEM filter. Make sure you know where everything's faced towards. Now, people have taken out charcoal filters from these cars, but I'm not going to, because currently the sun's going down and I have other things to do at this time. Filter at about close to 9,000 miles, like 8,800 miles. Not bad, not the greatest. This is the new filter. I'll definitely post in the descriptions where I got this filter and what the model number is. So if you guys like to try it, I guess do it. It is oily. Wow. I am just... How did... Oh, I forgot how it went in. Probably like it. Just push it in and hope. A lot of hoping. Hey, it's fitting. It's fitting. Is it fitting in? It's fitting in. I pushed it in the wrong way. It's not the skinny side, it's the fat side. It's like this, not like this. Not like this, like this. Now you know, and you won't make a mistake like I. Wow. Don't forget to wash your hands after this. Unless you wear gloves. Actually wear gloves. Actually wash your hands after gloves. No one likes sweaty palms. Unless you're a sweaty palm kind of person. Oh my lord. Oh, pull, snap, pull, snap. And then you're done. Don't forget to recycle your K&N box unless you want to keep it. And it's wait, don't forget the final step. Keep the pamphlets if you want. Throw away the box. The thing, I don't know where you throw away the filter from the original. Difference. That's a fun sound to hear. Well, if you heard any difference, please let me know. Where'd you put that sticker? I guess you could put the sticker here. Make sure you clean your spot. I don't really have a towel or anything on me. Just use a jacket, and you always wash it quite regularly, I hope. That's pretty clean. And just you peel, slap it down, make sure it's nice and clean. There we go. Discard everything else. Well, that's about it. I hope this helps. You could always remove your charcoal filter if you want. I just didn't. No time. Oh, that's it. Oh, don't forget to clean out the leaves under your hood. And that's that.